Hello and welcome back to FTx Academy. In this video, we're covering the anniversary coupon reward type in the auto trigger campaigns. This is a great way to celebrate your customers' loyalty and keep them engaged year after year. An anniversary coupon is a special coupon awarded to customers on the anniversary of the date they joined loyalnsave. It's a great way to say thank you for being a loyal customer while encouraging them to shop again. This type of campaign not only rewards longtime customers, but also strengthens engagement. A simple anniversary coupon can make members feel appreciated, which builds long-term loyalty. To set up an anniversary coupon campaign, once logged into the Control Center, click Loyalty, Campaigns, and Add New. And in the trigger type, we'll select Auto Trigger. And for the reward type, we'll choose Anniversary Coupon. And next we'll add in the name of our anniversary coupon. We're going to call this Happy Anniversary Loyalty. Enjoy 10%. Next, enter in a description that best represents your campaign. Make sure you leave your campaign set to active. This will automatically trigger the campaign throughout the year. You'll also see an option for age-restricted topics, but in our case, we'll leave this blank, since the campaign triggers on the customer's loyalty sign-up anniversary and is not age-restricted. You can also select or add tags to identify and group each campaign. Tags make it easier to organize your campaigns and quickly find them later. For example, you might tag by season, product category, or promotion type. Now let's take a look at how to set up your coupon. Let's click on the Coupon tab. First, let's give your coupon a name. This is just for internal use. Customers won't see this, but it'll help you stay organized. Next, let's choose your coupon type. You can select either $1 off, like $5 off your next purchase, or if you'd rather give away a free item, you can select that option instead. But for our example, we'll choose percentage off. Next is the coupon value. In our example, we're giving a 10% off coupon off a single item as a reward. Next, you'll customize how your coupon looks to the customer with the header line. This is a perfect way to grab your customer's attention. You can add up to 3 header lines. Each line can contain up to 24 characters. Then there's the text lines. This is where you can add in the details or rules of the coupon. You can add up to 5 text lines, and each line contains 24 characters. Now let's add a few text lines. After that, you can control how long the coupon is valid for. You can set it to never expire, static date, or days after issue. But for our example, we're going to set this to never expire. To limit the coupon to 1 per transaction, make sure the once per sale setting is toggled to yes. Just make sure you have your coupon reward configured the way you want before you save your campaign. You also have the option to fill out your marketing tab if you want to target certain customers with your campaign. But for our example, we want our campaign to be available for all customers. After the main details of your campaign are set up, you'll want to manage your coupon filters. In our case, we're going to allow customers to use this coupon on products in our store, excluding restricted product departments like cigarettes and lottery. We'll add in those departments by clicking the drop-down, selecting Department Blacklist, Add Filter, and Manage. Here we'll add in the departments we want to exclude from this campaign. Next up, let's talk about campaign requirements. These settings let you control how your campaign runs alongside other campaigns. You can make a campaign dependent on another, or block it if certain campaigns are already active. This gives you full control to avoid overlap or conflicts. For this campaign type, we won't set any campaign requirements. This is because the campaign will only auto-trigger on a customer's loyalty sign-up anniversary. And that's it. Why use an anniversary coupon? Because loyalty is all about building relationships. A small gesture like an extra discount or offering a free product goes a long way towards making a customer feel valued. Set it up once and let the system do the rest. For more Loyal and Save training videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, FTx POS, and keep learning at FTx Academy to earn cool certificates. Thank you for watching.